Hi, this video is for Business Central and LeafLink integration. This is our Business Central dashboard. We created a link for LeafLink. These are various options. First is for LeafLink setup. Click on this. There are customer URL, orders URL and order lines URL. We have to set up API endpoints here. This is the cutoff date and there are posting groups. This is the item card. As you can see, this is item number, CRM SKU ID, CRM item ID, which means the item is linked with LeafLink. For the demo purpose, I created 3 items that are not linked with LeafLink. Here we will see 2 methods for creating items in LeafLink. First method is one by one method. Once you created an item in Business Central and you want to create this in LeafLink, firstly you have to fill in the mandatory field in the item card like LeafLink license, LeafLink brand or LeafLink subcategory. Then click on the LeafLink enable button. It means that the item is ready to publish. Then click on the process and create a new item in LeafLink. Fill here the maximum quantity. Create the item. Yes. Now you can see the item is in LeafLink. As you can see, LeafLink assigned CRM ID to the item. Now move on to second method. Let us check whether these items are in LeafLink or not. No product was found with the name. Second method is for bulk upload. Suppose you created many items in Business Central and you want to upload those items in LeafLink, so you have to fill the mandatory field and the same LeafLink enabled. Same for the other items. Click on the process and send it to LeafLink. As you can see, CRM item ID, LeafLink assigned CRM item ID to these items. Now you can find those items in LeafLink. Click again on search, item found in LeafLink. Check the second item. It is also in the LeafLink. These are basic functionality for how to create items from LeafLink. Now I will create a sales order for that item. Suppose I created a sales order for the item which has 0 quantity in the LeafLink. As you can see, there is 0 inventory. I created a sales order for that item. Create a purchase order for the item. If you want to increase purchase quantity, fill quantity to purchase. Select vendor. It will create a PO for that vendor. Click OK. Here is the item quantity and unit cost. Fill vendor item number. Post this, receive and invoice the item. Now move to LeafLink, click on search and it will refresh the quantity. As you can see, inventory is 200 units. Available is 200. Now I want to sell out this item. Then I am filling the required details. Post this order, ship and invoice. Click OK. Again go to the LeafLink page and click on search. You can see the available quantity is 100. Second option is for LeafLink order. Suppose you want to fetch orders from the LeafLink to Business Central, you can click on Get Orders from LeafLink. This is showing the status of the order. The status of the order is complete. It means all the required fields are completed for this order. Click on Create Order. It will create the order in Business Central. Click OK. Go back to the sales order. Now the sales order has been created in Business Central. You can check the sales order. You can check sales order also in the leaf link. Copy the external document number and search it in leaf link. The status of the sales order is submitted. When you update the status of the order in Business Central, it will update the status of the order in leaf link as well. Suppose the status order is accepted and goes to process, update the header. It is successfully updated, and let us check the status of that order. It is updated in leaf link. If you select submit, it will not update the status. It is showing you cannot perform submit action on an order in the accepted state. It means after accepting the order, you have to select another status like fulfill, cancel or reject. This is the series of the status. Again select fulfill and update the header. It updated the status. This option is for an item. If you want to get an item from leaf link manually, you can click on that update button. This is for when creating an item in leaf link and you want to fetch that item in Business Central. We already created a scheduler for that. When item created in leaf link, it will update in Business Central without any manual intervention, and the same thing for the customer. Thank you.